Okay, here I am with the 20-year-old Seafurl 700 furling headstay, and it looks like it might need to be rebuilt. What I'm seeing is some degradation. Here's something that's sort of sheared off. I'm not really sure what that is. This looks pretty janky right here. It looks like there was at one point a nylon screw sort of assembly in this area here that seems to have sheared away, so I think that's an issue. Down at the actual business end, I think everything's pretty okay. Everything sort of seems to work. It doesn't look too bad. Might try to disassemble that a little bit more. I've got the centering puck that's new this last year, so that's looking pretty good. Everything there seems to be okay, but the things that concern me are really this stuff here. I don't know what's going on there, but obviously don't want this to part while I'm out sailing. So another thing is these seem kind of loose. But maybe that's just the way they're supposed to be. Again, 20-year-old stuff, pretty heavy use, just always want to be a little err on the side of caution. But that seems to be the issue. And so I'm going to talk to the good folks at Pomponette and see if we can get some parts. Anyway, thank you in advance for your help.